Greetings freelancers. In the video for today, I am going to instruct you on the process of performing identity verification on your freelancing post. Initially, we will talk about the reasons why identity verification holds significance. Identity verification is extremely crucial because when your account displays identity verification, clients are more likely to place their trust in you. They will not suspect that this freelancer might be a scammer, thus making identity verification highly important. Furthermore, we will examine how our profile looks following the successful completion of the identity verification process. When you navigate to the Freelancer section on the official FreelancingPost website, you will observe all the freelancers listed there. You can view my account here, which is presently not verified. If it becomes verified, it will appear somewhat like this. It signifies that you will notice a green check mark adjacent to your name. Therefore, let's understand the procedure of acquiring this green check mark. Initially, you must log into your account and proceed to the Freelancer dashboard. Upon arriving there, you will discover an identity verification section situated on the lower portion. Simply click on it. Once you click, it will prompt you to upload the required documents for identity verification. At this point, it will display which documents are supported. You possess the opportunity to make use of your national identification, for instance, an Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, or any other official identification card issued by the government. Furthermore, you may also upload your passport and driving license in this specific section. It is essential to upload the images of both the front side and the back side in this area. Let's move forward with advancing the process of uploading. I have successfully uploaded both the front side and the back side images. Additionally, there are particular policies that we must thoroughly review. It is of utmost importance to ensure that the name on your identification aligns perfectly with the name on your account. In the event that your name does not align, you have the option to navigate to the profile section and effortlessly modify the name. Therefore, kindly proceed to make the necessary change. Subsequently, for the identity verification documentation you have submitted, it is crucial to ensure that your photograph is incorporated. Your identification cards and similar documents must be distinctly visible. It's important to note that certain types of identification, such as an office identification card or a student identification card, are not permissible in this context. Regarding the duration for the verification process, you might wonder how long it actually takes. The process typically ranges from 1 to 14 days, and within this time frame, your identity verification is completed. The entire process gets fully completed. If you have meticulously submitted all the required documents, what you should do is simply click on the submit option that will conveniently appear just below. After you click on the submit button, what ultimately happens is that the document gets officially submitted, and then you are required to wait for a certain period of time. When I refresh the dashboard after a full day and carefully checked the identity verification section, it indicated that my identity verification process had been successfully completed and verified. Now, if we navigate to our profile section, you will notice that our profile has been thoroughly verified. There is a prominent green check mark on the side, so after watching this video, if you have any lingering doubts or questions, feel free to leave a comment. In the event that your application is unfortunately rejected, you will receive a detailed email explaining the specific reason for the rejection. Everything is clearly mentioned there. Then, what you can do is address the issue and proceed to complete your identity verification process. Thank you very much.